Hello everyone, my name is Manvi Sinha and I study in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My library number is 23IS2054 and I study in first semester. My section is ECHR and my subject name is Mathematics for CSE Stream 1 and its code is BM80S101. My today's topic is radius of curvature for pedal form. In this presentation, we will talk about radius of curvature of pedal form. Introduction to radius of curvature of pedal form. The radius of curvature is a mathematical concept used to measure the curvature of a curve at a specific point. Pedal form slides refer to a specific type of slide that is constructed using the concept of pedal curves. In this presentation, we will explore how the radius of curvature is applied to pedal form mathematical slides. Pedal form overview. A pedal form refers to the design or shape of a pedal used in various mechanical systems or designs. The basic components of a pedal typically include pedal curve, pedal point, pedal equation, and radius of curvature. Definition and formula for radius of curvature. The radius of curvature, denoted by r, is the reciprocal of the curvature at any point on a curve. It can be calculated by using the formula r equals 1 plus dy by dx whole square power 3 by 2 by d square y d square x, where dy by dx represents the derivative of y with respect to x. The radius of curvature measures how tightly a curve bends at a specific point and is used to determine the shape and behavior of the curve. Factors affecting radius of curvature. Several factors influence the radius of curvature or pedal form. First, curve function. Second, position of pedal point. Third, geometry of the original curve. Fourth, smoothness of the curve. Fifth, parametric variations. Sixth, external forces or constraints. Applications of radius of curvature in pedal form. The radius of curvature of pedal form is used in studying the geometry of curves and surfaces. It helps in understanding the behavior of curves under transformations and deformations. Radius of curvature plays a crucial role in analyzing the stability and equilibrium of objects in physics and engineering. Understanding the concept of radius of curvature. The radius of curvature is the radius of the oscillating circle at a particular point on a curve. It represents the curvature of the curve at that specific point. The radius of curvature is defined as the reciprocal of the curvature. Now we will talk about some case studies related to radius of curvature of pedal form. First, bicycle pedals. Second, automotive brake and accelerator pedals. Third, industry machinery controls. Fourth, biochemicals and prosthetics. These case studies highlight how engineers utilize the concept of the radius of curvature in pedal forms across diverse applications. Calculation of radius of curvature for pedal form. To calculate the radius of curvature for a pedal form, we need to know the base curve and the pedal point. The pedal curve is constructed by taking the perpendicular from the pedal point to the tangent of the base curve. The radius of curvature is obtained by determining the radius of the osculating circle of the pedal curve at a given point. Conclusion. The radius of curvature plays a crucial role in the construction of pedal form mathematical slides. It helps in understanding and visualizing the curvature of pedal curves. The calculations and applications of the radius of curvature are important in various industries. Thank you.